Hey everyone, welcome to AutoAppy. In today's video, we are going to see how to send a WhatsApp message automatically when someone submit a form in your website using AutoAppy, where we are going to store the data in our Google Sheet and allocate the task in monday.com. For this automation, we are going to use Elementor as for form submission, Google Sheet for storing the data. To allocate the task, we are going to use monday.com and WhatsApp for the messaging purpose. We are going to do this with the help of AutoAppy. This is a perfect automation for lead alert, confirmation, and follow-up, and so on. You can do it within a minute with the help of AutoAppy. AutoAppy is a no-code platform where you can build powerful automated workflow without writing a single line of code, helping you simplify the task, speed up the operation, and grow your business effortlessly. Now, let's jump into the AutoAppy. I'm going to add a new tab and type autoappy.com. Just enter.
So this is the landing page of AutoAppy where you can find a multiple sections. In this section you can find we provide a list of application, so you can use this application to build a powerful automated workflow. If you scroll down, you got a multiple templates which is ready to use to boost your businesses also. And then here you can find a pricing plan where we provide starter plan, essential plan and professional plan. If you notice, in our starter plan, we just provide 3000 tasks every month for your first signing up freely. So now let's just create the automation workflow by simply tapping on the workflow, and here you can find this is the automation dashboard where you can able to manage or monitor your workflow with respect to their filters, like on the basis of their status, tasks executed, and the basis of their action also. So let's create the workflow by simply tabbing on the add workflow.
I'm going to name it as WhatsApp automation and save it. As soon as you save the name, you can see the list of trigger application. In our case, I'm going to choose Elementor as my trigger application, new form submission as my trigger action, and add a first step. Yeah. So the question might be arise, what is trigger application? So the trigger application is nothing but to satisfy the if condition and do the task. If this thing happen, do this. In our condition, if form is submitted, send the message automatically in WhatsApp. Now we have to set the webhook URL to make our trigger application workable. Here is the steps where you set the webhook, where you can take how to set the webhook URL. Just copy this URL and we are going to paste into our Elementor website. For our case, I'm going to use this application, this website, where I'm going to provide a name, email, number, and message. Yeah, cool. Now, this tab, edit with Elementor. Cool. The website is up here. Now scroll down and tab one of the field column, where you can see the form fields. Just close this one and yeah, action after submit. So it's basically mean what action should be taken after submitting the form. Just open it and search for the webhook. Yeah, as soon as you add the webhook, you can see the webhook is appeared here. We are going to open it and send and set the webhook URL. Just copy from here and paste here. Now publish it. So we successfully set our webhook URL into our Elementor. Now we are going to see, we are going to test our application. Just preview the changes, okay, and give the sample data. Make sure before giving the sample data, you start capture the sample data so it can be capture our data. I'm going to start this capture sample data and provide the data, which is John John at the rate gmail.com. Number should be 845. And I want the automation for the sales invoices. So I'm demanding high. I want the sales invoice automation. Yeah, and submit it. Let's check it capture our data. Check the status. Okay, data captured successfully. So it means our webhook URL is set. Now we are going to add as by action application. Let's go to our workflow, and now I'm going to add a Google Sheet to store the data. Plus, just select the Google Sheet now, and I'm going to use insert a row as my action where all the data is going to be stored into the Google Sheet. Insert a row in a Google Sheet, add as a task. Okay, it will be asked you to create a new connection or you can use existing connection. I'm going to use create a new connection, connect with Google, allow the application. It will be going to ask you the permission. Just hit the continue. Yeah, you can see our connection set up successfully. Now save the connection. Okay, here you can see Google Sheet ID and sheet name. So now you can now we have to provide our Google Sheet ID. It is very simple. Just go to your sheet where you want to set the data, store the data. I want to store my data here. So here you can find your key, ID key. Just copy it and paste here Google Sheet ID. Yeah. Now they are going. You can see after pasting the Google Sheet ID, the list of the sheet name is available. I want the task data. I'm going to use the task data. So open it and yeah, this one task data. As soon as you go add the task data, they will be going to add the all the data which will be available in our column name, email, phone number, message, name, email, phone number, message. Yeah, pretty much cool. Now I want the data which will be coming from my previous node. To perform this task, I'm going to use mapper. You can see the plus sign, it is denoted as a mapper. We simply work all the data from the previous node is going to submit in your current node. Just open it, tab it, and Elementor and John and confirm it. Now do the same task. Search for the email. I want this email. Confirm it. Yeah. Phone number. Confirm it. And this is my message I'm going to use. Hi. Yeah. Sure. Confirm. Submit the application and test this application. As you can see, task executed successfully. Now we are going to check all the data is submitted here. Yeah, the the name, email address, phone number, and message is submitted here. Submitted successfully. Okay. Now I want to allocate the task to the one of my teammates. I'm going to use Monday.com. So just add the Monday.com as my another action. Monday.com. I'm going to create a new item. So just search for the item, create an item. Yeah, this one. Select this one. Add a task. Create a new connection. Now it is going to ask you API key. Here is the instruction how to get a API key. Just open your monday.com, go to your profile, administrator, sorry, go to your profile and go for the developer, my access token, show, and here how you can copy your access token. Just paste here and save the connection. Here our connection set up successfully. I'm going to show you which board ID I'm going to use. Just back here. I'm going to use AutoAPI board and add all the tasks in here. So it will be show AutoAPI is correct. Now what name I'm going to use? I'm going to name it as the name, the person name, the username, confirm it, Google ID, to do or complete, to do list. Just allow the to do list correct. Starts it working on it, and yeah, it's going to ask me owner. Now let me just show you. In the item name, the item name is going to be set here, owner, status, and date. So I think I did something where I am want item name as my message confirming. Let's check this, submit it, and take this application. I didn't show sample data. Yeah, it will be set the our item correct. Our task is hi, I want to sales invoice automation, and we can assign it to the person who we want and due dates. So we successfully add our messages in our monday.com task. Now close it and add. I'm going to add WhatsApp. Expand all. Now I'm going to add as AiSensy to send the automatic messages. Yeah, this one AiSensy. Send the template message. Add the task. I'm going to use create a new connection, and it is going to ask me the API key. The same here, the instruction how to get the API key. You have to just go to the AiSensy account, managed, and here after tapping API key, you can go to your API key, click to copy, and set your API key, save the connection. Our API key also, so our AiSensy is also integrated. Now they are asking us the camping name and mobile number. So now they are going to ask you the camping name. For that, just go for the camping, and these are the camping which is still live. For me, I'm going to use camping name as a send messages, and this is a template which I'm going to use. Okay. Now the question, what is the variables? Variables is nothing but the parameter which will be which is replaced by the parameter. We will see. For now, I'm going to use send message as my camping name. Copy and paste here. Remove the excess space. Yeah, mobile number which I'm got from the previous sheet, Elementor, and yeah, correct. Confirm it. Now name, I'm going to add the name which I'm got from the previous and confirm it. Now they are asking you the parameters. The parameters are nothing but replacement of the variable. In the first, I am going to use as my as the name, the parameter. So I have to map the name. Yeah, map the name and confirm it. Now add the field and go to our AiSensy and see what is demanding. In the second parameter, in the second variable, it is asking for the email. Just go and map the email from your previous node Elementor and confirm it. Add the field, and I think it is going to ask me for the phone number. Just Elementor and number and confirm it. Okay, I think we fill up the pretty much data, and this is the data they are going to add. For our case, I'm going to ignore it and submit the data. Now I'm going to test this application. As soon as I'm going to test this application, the template is going to hit into my WhatsApp. Let's test this application. Yeah, hide and show sample data. Yeah, the message sent successfully. Let's check it into our WhatsApp. Yeah, this is the timing 1:49 and 1:50. Hi John, thank you for reaching out. We have received your request and we will begin working on your automation shortly. One of our expert will connect with you soon to ensure everything is tailored to your needs. If you need any specific preference, feel free to reply here or email us at contact@autoapp.com. Your submitted detail, the email ID and the number, and start the automation. Okay, so it's look like our automation work fine. Now I'm going to add another data to test the application. Just go to our site and add Shushank, give the email ID, number should be 84, and I want the automation for the dispute. Hey, just submit the data. Okay, the data is set submit successfully. Now let's check. It will be, yeah, the name is here, my email address and the phone number, and this one is my message. Let's check. The data is in my monday.com. Yeah, it is also in here. This is my, yeah, this is my message. Now let's check. uh, I got the message. Yeah, I got the message 152, and here is the 152. Hey Shushank, thank you for reaching out. We are receive your request and we will working on your automation shortly. One of our expert will connect with you soon to ensure everything is tailored to your need. If you have any specific preference, feel free to reply here or email us at the contact@autopay.com. This is my email address. This is my phone number. Yeah. So it's look like our automation works fine. Yeah. Okay. This is how we can set the automation for sending the WhatsApp message automatically whenever someone send the detail from your website, and store the data into a Google Sheet while allocate your teammates or team member into the task while giving the task into your monday.com. That's it for today video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And you can visit our site also, which is autoapi.com, where you can create a multiple workflows automation for your business purposes. If you have any question or idea, drop it in the comment and we will set the automation for you. Thank you.